The Heart Wants What It Wants is the tagline and title of a Salena Gomez hit song, telling the story of her anguish over a man she can't give up and misses terribly when he's gone. The song talks about how she's not alive until he calls. But she admits there's a million reasons why I should give you up, but she can't, because the heart wants what it wants. There's a lot of truth in those statements, and she's not the first person to feel that way, nor will she be the last. However, it's a huge mistake to underestimate the power of emotions. Too often they seem to take over our hearts and make us do some of the most irrational things, even as we tell ourselves, don't do it. If there's one Bible character who should be the poster boy for this song, it's Samson. From his youth, it became quite clear that he was going to struggle in the area of love and make really bad choices. His very first recorded words in the Bible were an order to his parents. I saw a woman in Timnah, one of the daughters of the Philistines. Now therefore get her for me as a wife. Judges 14 verse 2. His parents tried to talk him out of it and suggested he look for a nice Israelite girl. He refused to listen and responded with irrefutable logic. Get her for me, for she looks good to me. Judges 14 verse 3. So they finally gave in to his demands and arranged the marriage. But hey, the heart wants what it wants, so what could go wrong? Well, what a mess it turned out to be. Just about everything went wrong. First, she betrayed his trust to her fellow Philistines, which led him to killing 30 of them. Then she married another man because Samson left without completing the marriage. When he came back for her and found out she was married to another, he started a fire to burn the Philistine crops. Then the Philistines attacked the girl, burning her and her father to death. When Samson found out, he took revenge on the ones who killed her, and then had to kill another 1,000 Philistines when an army came after him. Read Judges 14 and 15 for the details. But hey, the heart wants what it wants. So why should we ever say no? What could go wrong? And people wonder why I'm so relentless in my opposition to pushing emotional buttons. This is why. Reasons become irrelevant when desires take over, and death is the inevitable result. Perhaps not physical death, but spiritual death for sure. Read James 1 verses 13 through 15. Well, thanks for watching Morning Minutes in the Bible on An American Missionary, where we appeal to your mind. Until tomorrow, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.